Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. If you are seeing the error message something went wrong, Google Play services doesn't seem to be working at the moment, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step and I'll also explain why this problem happens. Firstly, let's understand why this error happens. This issue usually occurs because Google Play services cache files get corrupted. The app is outdated, internet connection is unstable, Google account sign problem, Android system bug, or pending updates. Now let's fix the problem. Firstly, open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on see all apps or app management. Now at the top right corner tap on the three dots. Click on show system app and search for Google Play services. Click on it. Now click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and tap on manage space. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop, click on OK. Now again go back to the previous page and search for Google Play and click on Google Play services for AR. Now click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache and clear storage. Now go back to the previous page. Click on force stop, click on OK. Now again go back to the previous page and again search for Google Play. Now click on Google Play Store and click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear storage. Click on delete. Now go back to the previous page and tap on force stop. Click on OK. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.